Hi, I'm Carolyn, and this is...
Tammy.
Tammy? Did you do that on purpose?
Because of the wig.
I'm Carolyn, and this is...
Tommy
Braden. And today we are going to talk about color reveal Barbie. I think that the world needs to have a little bit more fun, and the last video that we did Gotta Go Flamingo, and that was pretty funny. I thought that was pretty funny, and our nephew thought it was hilarious. And so today I wanted to do another toy reveal, and I chose color reveal Barbie, and that is why we're wearing the wigs. I thought the wigs were funny. I thought our niece and nephew might think we were funny, and Barbie has a wig, and I'm interested to see which one.
I'm going for blue.
You're going for blue. I think it would be cool if we got like the pink haired one or the red hair, but I don't really care because they're all beautiful. So
she'll look better in her wig than I do, so.
She will probably look better in her wig than you do.
Yes, probably.
We purchased this toy at Target, and now it's time to reveal the color reveal Barbie. Are you ready? Okay.
Excited.
He's very excited, you can tell. You're such a good,
I'm so excited.
You're a good husband for doing this with me. So the toy box says that you need to protect your surfaces. So I put down a towel because it said it may stain, and I have a glass dish, which I'm hoping we can put the Barbie in with the water. And the whole point of this is to have the metallic paint wash off of the Barbie so you can see what she looks like inside. And I purchased I don't remember what she's going to reveal. I think something to do with the weather. I think that is the doll. Yeah, it's the weather doll. There's other ones, there's food dolls, but I chose the weather one so we could see if we get, I guess, a rainbow or a sunshine or a cloud. And so now it's time to open the toy. Ready?
Sure.
Which doll will you reveal? Ooh, and look, it's a plastic canister. Actually, I think we can do the doll in here. That's why they give you this canister, so you can see what happens. Let's pop the top. Got it. And then we pull out a blue metallic doll. I think this would make kind of a neat surprise gift for an adult or a kid in your life, maybe for the holidays or just because. You think?
Good.
What would you think if somebody gave you this?
A kid would like it. Gives them something extra to do besides just look at it. So.
I said, what would you do if someone gave you this?
I would probably throw it at them. I guess it depends on who gave it.
Yeah, but it's kind of neat because I grew up with Barbie dolls, and I love doing their hair and putting on their clothes, and I don't think I did much makeup or anything, which this is cool because this reveals some makeup as well. So let's take her out. Here's the directions. Yeah, these little packages are the mystery things. This is like, you know, what color wig does she have? What outfit does she have? The shoes are in here. And there are one pair of shoes and her little outfit. So you can kind of see through these. So I'm gonna set those aside because I don't want this surprise to be ruined. And there's right now 5 different weather dolls, and then 5 different kid dolls, and then there's pets that you can get to go with them as well.
We fill it with warm water up to the line.
Okay, you're gonna do that. It says on the package, it doesn't like have word directions, but it definitely has a little picture. So this should be, it says ages 3 and up can do this. So mostly warm water, not hot, but warm water. So now we have the blue metallic doll, and she's going to get plopped inside of here. And I want to show you a good up close shot of that. So before we plop her in, I'm going to bring the camera up close so you can see it. All right, so here she goes. You want to watch her? You look at everybody from out there. I'm not sure how easy. Oh, it's already starting to come off her leg. It's already starting to come off. Oh, that's so cool. It's already starting to come off her head. It's definitely doing what it's supposed to do. Which one? Which one do we have? It's like her little bathing suit. You have to, yeah, you do have to kind of push her down in there. It's like she wants to float to the top.
I think they want you to swirl her.
They say to swirl her a little, that the picture shows us. That's what I'm doing. Ooh, and the water's turning blue. Who are you? Oh, I see her. She is a blonde. She's got a little pixie haircut. Super cute. I think she's actually the one in the picture. She's got a little flower on her suit. To me, she looks like she could be like for all the flowers, which is good because I like flowers, don't I? So the blue paint kind of comes off easily. You just kind of have to work with a little bit. If a little kid is doing this, this would be, I think a little kid would really like this, don't you? So it looks like she might need a little bit of assistance. Maybe a hosing off in the sink might be appropriate. Yeah, she's got a flower on her chest. So I get some of this blue paint on my fingers. Make sure you have paper towels or towels nearby. We're gonna hose her off a little bit in the sink and then wipe her down with some paper towels to get the rest of the paint off of her. This is all cool and shimmery now. It's very pretty water. Ooh, sparkly. So here is our Barbie that we got. Pixie cut blonde with blue eyes, and she has a little flower on her chest. We wiped her down and with warm water, right? And then wiped her clean with paper towel. She's rather hard plastic, a little differently made up than what some of my dolls were growing up, but I guess just that's the way Barbie's made nowadays. But she's well made. And would you say the paint came off easily or not?
I would say it did not come off easily.
After the initial one didn't.
After when I was wiping her down, I was having to rub it to get it off.
Okay.
And some of it's still on a little bit.
Yeah, it's kind of pretty though. Like she has a little bit of body shimmer on. All girls like glitter. Okay, so now it's time to reveal all of the surprises inside. And so this feels like it might be the sponge. And you use the sponge, it's a cute little flower sponge. Use that to reveal makeup on her face. So we'll do that in a moment. And I don't know what's in this long package. Ooh, her wig. Oh, she has pink and blonde hair. That's kind of cool. And it comes with a little hard plastic thing that seems like it just kind of slides on her head. Doesn't just go on that easy. It's not the best looking wig, but it can probably be styled a little bit. It's kind of like a headband that just pops on her whole head. So it's kind of cute. So you had to take her outside while wearing your wig?
Yes, people pointed and laughed at us.
No, they didn't. They made her, what do you think about Barbie's wig? She pretty? Not as pretty as you. You see Barbie? Do you like her? Oh, he gave her kisses. Yay! And this is her skirt. It's a little flower skirt. See? Get her skirt on. There's her cute little skirt. Now we have one more mystery pouch, and this should be her shoes. What shoes was she? Ooh, she was given some fancy heels. Some pink high heels. Like these boots are made for walking, and that's just what they'll do. And one of these days, these boots will walk all over Florida. Do, 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 do. So there is a Barbie, and now we want to reveal some of her makeup. So now we will try to reveal her makeup and her colored hair. I put some ice cubes in the water, in some cold water. We're gonna use the little sponge that it came with and dip it in. This is nice and cold water. And let's see what happens. Ooh, can you see her face? She had a little flower appear on her face. And so now we're gonna try to turn her pink, or the blonde parts of her hair, I think, purple. So let's see what happened. Ooh, it does do a little bit of color changing. Purple lowlights because they're a little bit dark. They're a little bit dark. So it's not quite as dark as I expected. Oh, and this also gives her a different lip color too. And then it looks like it fades away. Oh, no, you can actually take warm water and go over everything to make it disappear. So cold water makes her hair turn purple and the flower pop out and her lips turn pink, and the warm water will take it away. I don't think her little wig, the little hair under the wig does anything. It would be cool if it did. Let's see. No, her hair underneath doesn't do anything. It would be cool if they had made it to where this hair also changed colors. It's a very cute toy. I would recommend this for anybody, an adult, a child, whoever would just like to have a little bit of fun revealed in their life. I think it would be cool to get another and see which one I get, because they come in all different ethnicities and different hair colors. So did Color Reveal Barbie reveal lots of fun?
She did.
So I hope you like this video. I'm gonna do some more toy videos because I think more people should start playing with toys, have a little bit of fun in their life.
Why not?
Did you have fun with this,
Sure,
Tommy?
absolutely. Fun times.
Would you have done this video without me?
No.
That's okay, because I like to have fun and I like Barbies. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments about this video, leave it in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do so now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Carolyn Braden, and this is my husband,
Tommy.
Tommy. Bye, everybody. The Barbie, she has a pixie, and so this is where we are alike. I have a pixie.
I have a pixie. We all have pixies.
We all have pixies, except for Minnie Pearl. Minnie Pearl, you've got a little bit of a, what does she have going on? Haircut.
Got a fluffernutter.
She's got a fluffernutter haircut. Oh, how's Minnie Pearl look? Aw, you look so cute. Look, there, Minnie Pearl has pink hair.
So fabulous, Minnie Pearl.
Oh, you're so fabulous looking. Look.
You like painted my face orange. I look like
Go. Oompa, loompa, doobity doo.
Visit Carolyn'sBloomingCreations.com.